Hello there, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to draw a cute parrot? Well, let's get started. And these are the colors that I will be using. All right, so to make it very simple, all you have to do is print the number 5. So one line across, down, and an arch, just like that. Okay? So from the number 5, we're going to extend the line. We're going to bring this all the way down, just like that. Okay, and then what we're going to do, we're going to draw a curved line for the head, and we're going to join it. Okay, so from this point, we're going to draw another curved line all the way to this line here. We're going to join it. Okay, so now we're going to draw the little beak. So curved line just like that with a point, and then bring it in, and then another line going up like that. Okay, all right, so for the eye, we can just draw a circle, and you can just shade in the pupil here. Okay, all right, and now the wing, we're going to do little zigzag lines. Okay, and so for this part, you can just draw a little line in the middle. Okay, so I'm going to show that the parrot is on a branch. So I'm just going to draw curved line just like that, 2 of them, and then a little down below, curved lines. So now with our branch, you can just draw one line up and then all the way down, and then we can continue it just like that in between. Okay, I'm just going to extend the branch a little further, and if you want, you can also add little leaves. Okay, so there's one leaf, so a line, and then sort of like an arch, and then we're going to join it. And you can do it on the other side as well. And just all the way down here. Okay, so maybe for a branch, we can just do a little circle here. And if you want though, before we color, you can also just draw another line to extend for the wing, and then the part of the neck. Another line, just like that. Okay, so I'm going to start off by coloring the body a bright green. So parrots are very intelligent and they're entertaining. They make great pets. Okay, their toes are made for climbing. They can grab and hold food with their toes. So their unique claws make them strong climbers. They have 4 toes per foot, so 2 point forward and 2 point backwards. Okay, they're omnivores. They eat mostly plants, fruits, seeds, nuts, but will also consume insects and even meat. Okay, they have very strong beaks. And they use beaks to groom, to vocalize, play, climb, and care for their young as well. Now, what I found interesting, they eat with their feet. So they use to grasp and hold food up to their beak while they eat. So parrots are brightly colored. They're green, red, blue and gray, yellow. They're known for their unique ability to imitate human voices. this part of the wing red. And then I'm going to use yellow and blue. And I'll just continue the pattern, so I'll just use red here. And then around here, I'm going to use yellow. And even around the neck area here. Okay. The beak, I'll color the top yellow and then the bottom blue. And just for the eye here, I'll just shade in a pale pink as well. So parrots come in a range of shapes and sizes. The heftiest parrot weighs as much as a cat, and the smallest is as small as a hummingbird. Okay, they live very long. They have lifespans that are comparable to humans. So the average is 30 years of age, and some can live up to 80 years or more. So the parrot feathers, they contain antibacterial pigments. So their feathers have a special defense against damage. So it protects them. And they don't just talk, they also sing. Okay, so now I'm just gonna color the leaves. I'll use a darker green here. All right, so I'm also gonna blend a little bit of the darker green just around it, just to give it a little bit of some dimension to it. Here we go. All right, so before I go, I have a cute joke to share. What is a parrot's favorite game? Hide and speak. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Until next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.